So hello guys, welcome to the day video, and today I'm going to be talking about Wave. So guys, Wave is the website which will help you to manage your money like a boss. So this websites actually help you to manage your money. It can help you to calculate your income, expense, and then calculate the net income. Now, features of Wave includes invoicing, payment, accounting, advisor, payroll, and banking, and pricing. Blog resources are you can go here to see resources. You can create your free account on Wave, but I prefer to use Google because that's easy and convenient for me. So Wave is built for US and Canadian businesses. So because my region is not US or Canada or Canada, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using Zoho Books. So Zoho Books is like a Wave thing, but just the name is different. It's pretty much like Wave. So get started with Zoho Books. So after you get started, this will ask you the following information. What you have to do is, guys, you have to enter your company name, email address, mobile number, password, and your region. After entering the Zoho Books, this will be your dashboards. And what you have to do is, guys, you can go to items and then banking. You can go to banking and see your banking details. You can go to time check, you can go to purchases, you can also go to vendors expenses, recurring expenses, purchase order bills, payments made, applicant bills, vendor credits. You can go to your account and manual generals, bulk update, currency adjustments, charter contents, budget transaction and locking. You can go to your reports and you can get your profit loss schedule 3, horizontal balance sheet, etc, etc. You can in sales you can go for sales by customer, sales by item, etc, etc. So for now, let's just go to dashboard, and you have to go to items, and then you have to click on plus. So to add the new item, what you have to do is you have to go to new item, and you can add your item name here, and let's say the unit is like a box in centimeter or in inches or kg. Let's say the unit is in box. You can add the name from here. You can select the selling price, you can set the cost price, you can set the amount sale that you have, like discount and other charges, sales, etc, etc, cost of goods sold. And you can add your description. Let's say description may be anything, it doesn't really matter. And what you have to do is you have to just click the save, and then this will be saved. Now for the banking, you can go here, and you have to just leave this page. You can actually get your banking details from here, but if you want to get your invoice, what you have to click on is sales, and then go to invoices, and then this plus button. Set your transaction preferences. Do you give discounts, at line item low, and select additional charges you would like to add, adjustments around the total nearest, and the amount to add. So these things might be different for the people using the same website in different regions. So it's up to you that what kind of transaction preferences you prefer. So just click on save and continue, and it will save your preferences. Now to add an invoice, you can add your customer name. If you have no customer added, you can add a customer from here. So I will add a customer here. Let's say it is like an individual, and primary contact is Mr. The first name is Krishna, and last name is the company name is can be anything, it doesn't really matter because I'm just making a tutorial. Customer display name like this, and customer email you can edit from here. You can edit the phone number from here, mobile from here. You can add his website from here, and what you can do is you can also add your PAN number here, and payment terms due of next month. You can add the payment terms here, and opening balance, blah blah blah. That's just formality, and you can just save it from here. So the invoice is saved, and what you can do now is you can also change the number of the invoice from here. Let's say it's invoice number 1, and invoice date, you can change the invoice date, but I won't like change this right now. You can add your salesperson. You can like click here to like manage salespersons. And subject, you can add your subject. For let's say that let's say our subject is uh, boxes of of marijuana. I'm just checking. Let's say let it be anything. I don't know, bro. And you can just add subject, and you can add item details. You can add amount from here. You can click on plus to edit and manage to like subtract it. And this is like the TDS and TCS text that are applicable. And adjustments you can make here. So these all settings like varies from region to region and your like country's policies. So it doesn't really matter. So you have to just like do all these things, and then you can view your actually invoice from here. And then what you have to do is you have to like click on save and send. Enter the valid item name or description. So you just have to enter the valid name and item description, and you're good to go. So guys, that's it for the Soho or Wave website. And if you want to like ask anything else related to this website, you can just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video. And if you want to like want a video on like any another topics, you can also comment down below, and I'll just look into that. Thank you. Bye bye.